In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your broker and place trades in TradingView on iPhone. By the end, you'll be placing orders straight from your charts with confidence. Start by opening the TradingView app on your iPhone. Give it a second to load your data and charts. A stable internet connection helps everything update smoothly. From the main screen, head over to the Watch List tab. This is where you'll see the markets you follow most closely. Find and select the asset you want to trade, whether that's a stock, a currency pair, a crypto, or a futures contract, so its chart opens up. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct symbol and time frame, especially if you track similar tickers or multiple markets. On the chart screen, tap the Trade button. This is your gateway to the order panel. If you haven't connected a broker yet, TradingView will prompt you to do that now. Tap Find Broker to bring up the list of supported brokers that can link directly to TradingView. Availability can vary by region and account type, so choose the broker that matches your existing live or paper trading account. Once you've selected your broker, tap Connect. TradingView will securely hand you off to your broker's sign-in or authorization flow. Follow any verification steps your broker requires. This could include entering credentials, confirming two-factor authentication, or acknowledging connection permissions. If your broker briefly switches you to their app or a secure web page, just complete the prompts and then return to TradingView when it's done. You should see a confirmation that the connection was successful. After you're connected, the trading panel becomes active and you can place trades directly from TradingView. Tap Trade on your chosen asset to open the order ticket. Here, pick your order type, set quantity or position size, and adjust price levels if you're using limit or stop orders. You can also define risk controls like stop loss and take profit so your plan is clear before you send the order. Double-check the account shown in the panel to make sure you're trading the correct broker profile, then review and submit. TradingView will route the order to your broker, and you'll see status updates and fills reflected on your chart and in the trading panel. From there, you can manage open positions and orders right within the app. That's all it takes. Open TradingView, choose your asset from the watch list, tap Trade, find and connect your broker, complete verification, and start trading directly from your charts. Trade carefully, stay consistent with your strategy, and you're set to go.